Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Do not mind my appearance. I am still in my pajamas. It's only like 9:15 and I need to deep clean my kitchen. So if you guys watched a few videos back, we did that whipped cream challenge and I got whipped cream everywhere, and I like cleaned it up that night, but I've noticed that the counters are still a little bit sticky because there was like so much whipped cream. And on top of that, it's been about a week and a half since I like deep cleaned the whole entire kitchen. So I decided I will take you guys with me as I do that today. I do have a mess right here. I just gave Reagan a snack. She wanted cucumbers this morning. I don't know, she's like obsessed with cucumbers and hummus, just like me. But I do have a couple things that I need to put away just from this morning. Overall, like, the counters are clean because I did pick up last night after we had dinner. But it's mainly the floors that I need to clean, the kitchen table, and then I need to wipe down all of the cabinets. And let me show you guys my fridge. Up here we have like normal mom life with like pictures and school stuff and calendar and lists and whatnot. But when you come down here, you guys will see that Reagan decided to not only color on my fridge, but put a bunch of stickers. Like, you guys, this child, she puts stickers on everything. I have found stickers on Jackson's high chair. I found stickers on Jackson, on the kitchen table, on the floor, on the walls in the hallway, in the bathroom, on the toilet. Like, literally, she just went sticker happy and put stickers everywhere. And this morning, she decided to, let me show you guys, cut her hair with these little toy scissors. Like, I don't even know how she managed to cut her hair, but she cut off all the front end of her hair. So I really don't know what I'm going to do. And like, this is actually like really long. It doesn't look like it's that long because her hair is really curly, but if you guys look at it, like, she cut off a lot of hair. And don't mind my broken nails. I need to fix those after I clean the kitchen because I do them myself, so it's not that big of a deal. I can quickly do them, but I picked them off last night because when I was cleaning last night, I like nicked them and they started to lift. So yeah, definitely need to do that as well. I just finished getting ready because I have to go take Reagan to school, but thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.